starting a car wash business with just one right decision away. Let's be real for a second. Most people spend their life waiting for the perfect time to start something big, waiting for the market to be ready, waiting for money, waiting for less risk. But guess what? The truth is opportunities never wait. And if you have ever thought about starting a car or motorbike wash business, the difference between success and regret might be just one decision. Because one right decision made at the right time can change everything: your income, your freedom, your future. So before you scroll away, let's talk about what's really stopping people from starting and why the right move now could make you a market leader before others even realize what's happening. Here's what most investors won't tell you. They did not fail because they bought the wrong machine or had a bad idea. They failed because they hesitated too long. They saw the train coming, more vehicles on the road. People valuing time over money. The global shift from hand washing to automation, but they froze. Maybe they told themselves, I will wait one more year, or let me see if something else succeeds first. But by the time they come back, someone else already owned the perfect location, someone else has already built a brand, taken the customer, and dominates the market. And that's the real pain. Not losing money, but losing the chance to lead. Go&Go has been helping entrepreneurs in developing countries start their own automatic car and bike wash business, from the first idea to planning to installation to daily operation. Our mission is simple: to turn everyday investor into successful wash business owner. Here is how we make it possible. We design systems for both bike and car because in many countries, both markets are huge. We analyze your local market to help you choose the best location. New market mall, highway, or residential zone. We train your staff so you how to price your service and even have you market your new wash to get the first customer fast. And of course, we provide machine build your real condition, durable, efficient, and smart, designed for moist, dirt, and humidity common in developing region. But more than that, Go&Go gives you confidence to take that one right step, confident to move forward when others hesitate, because in this industry, technology alone does not build success, time does. So here's my challenge to you. If you have been watching videos, reading posts, or talking about someday opening your own car wash, stop waiting. The opportunity is not coming, it's already here. Every day more automatic washes are being built around the world, and every day someone new takes the lead in their city. You don't need luck, you don't need one right decision. Reach out to Go&Go today. Let's plan your wash, find your spot, and help you open a business that's run automatically, earn daily, and scale globally. Because 5 years from now, you will look back and say one of two things: I wish I started, or I'm so glad I did. The difference between those people, just one right decision, and that decision could be yours today.